In this video, I am going to show you how to join YouTube affiliate program and earn extra money. So let's see how you can do that. At first, you have to log in your YouTube dashboard, and when you log in, then you'll be able to see these options: join today affiliate program to earn. Just you need to simply click here, join today. Okay, then you will be able to see this pop up. Just need to simply click here, continue. Just you need to scroll it down and give a tick mark here. I hereby agree and consent to affiliate program. Then click here, join program. Okay, now you need to click here, continue. You are in. Now you can start tagging products. Just simply click here, try it out.